Okay, I just want to come in and show you my kitchen. Once I put my curtains up, I have not steamed them yet, but I did want to go ahead and show you what I had up so far. And this is what I have up. I just went simple guys, because I have been cleaning and I just went through the house, went in my stash and find a few items. Okay, here's a few items under here. Okay, so there are my curtains that I put up. And the light, now I showed you the lights on a previous video where my husband was putting up everything. So this is what it looking like, just bare minimum and clean and neat. Okay, so let's start maybe with this plant here. So I just got a running vine sitting right here in the corner. Well, it's not a corner, but you get the picture. And okay, let me center that. Okay, that's my plant right there. And up here, I got the fruit. Have the different types of fruits. There I have my candle matching my candle in my picture, my apple, my grapes matching the picture. Trying to bring out some of the items that's in the picture. And this said, give us this day our daily bread. That's the name of this picture here. And I just got my greenery, my lemons, some more grapes, and another apple. And that's what that area right there is looking like. Okay, so I'm going to take this down. I just got this up here just for the air freshener, and this is just a wax, and this is a candle warmer right there. But the fragrance, it smells so good. It's like a let's see, like a leaf, forest leaves. I can't think of the exact name. Okay. So let's go to the curtains. So there are the curtains that we put up. They need to be steamed, and I'm going to put some tie backs on each end. And here's the light that I purchased from Lowe's. No, this light came from Home Depot. And I like it. It's like a little basket. Got the LED light in it. And it's like a pendant, and it's black. And let's go up here. This light is black. This light will change moods, but the control of it is within the rim, the black rim, and I have to take that off, which is not nice. So it is remote controlled. Okay, right here is one of my other plants, one of my vines that I just got sitting beside the refrigerator, just trying to give this area some greenery. Okay, and on my stove I got my little kettle there, my Inspire towel hanging on my stove. Okay, and this came from the Dollar Tree. Can't remember where I got the pot from. Okay, in this area right here. And guys, you know, I had this up for a minute. Haven't took it down yet. And also this little picture here, had that up. And I just added some more. And these are little brass candlesticks holder. Just got 3 sitting there. And I got these candles from the Dollar Tree. Not for sure where these here came from. Oh, yes I do, yes I do. These came from the thrift store. And I don't know if the price still on them, but I didn't pay much for them. They probably was about maybe $3 for the whole set, and they are heavy. Okay, and right here, this is another pot that I got from the thrift store. It was $3.50, and this little cup and this tray came together $3.50 for the little set. And these flowers came from the Dollar Tree, and this here was gifted to me, this little vase here. Okay, let's move over to this corner. Okay, this little cake plate here came from a yard sale. It was like $2. Okay, and trying to see if I can move it with one hand, but that's what the little plate is looking like. And this here came from Burlington. It probably was like $9.99. And here's the other parts of the mirror. 3 came in a set. This here came from the Dollar Tree. This was like, well, Dollar Tree paid $1. This little tray, not tray, but this little candlestick is heavy and it's solid wood. It came from the thrift store. I still got the price on it. It was $1. And this tray here came from Ross, this teal tray. It was like $7.99 for the little tray. I had to put it together, had to assemble this. It has 3 little plates on it. And this little bird here came from Temu. It is so small. When I first got this, when I did my review for them, the bird looked like it was a nice size, pretty big, but when I received it, it is tiny. Okay, and the fruits. Okay, so, oh, and let's go right here. This little piece here came from the thrift store. It was like, I think it was like 50 cents or $1. It wasn't much. Okay. So yeah, this little piece here was, I think it was $1. Okay. Even though that says $1.99, but it was $1. Okay. And these are Walmart curtains, probably under $10. They was not that much. And let me give you another pan around. Oh, and my little fork here, black fork, that was gifted to me. No, I had this a while, yes. And a spoon, and I have another piece that goes with it. It's like a 3-piece, but I didn't have a place for it. Another quick view, a wider view of it. And like I said, I kept everything tidy, neat. Don't have that much up. I've been cleaning all day out in my yard, and I will be showing you the video for my yard so you can see the update on that as well. Okay, I thank you guys for watching. And if you have not subscribed, please go ahead on and do so at this time. I would love to have you to become a part of the Precious family. Just hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and leave me a comment. And you will be notified each time when I upload another video. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye-bye.